Hello, welcome back to another video. My name is Chidera. In case you're coming across this channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please consider subscribing and don't forget to like this video. Leave your comment for me in the comment section, okay? And don't forget to click on that bell notification so that each time I upload a new video, you will always get notified. And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for subscribing. You're highly welcome to this amazing and beautiful family. And to my old subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for always coming back to support your girl. So, guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you how I made this yummy puff puff using plantain, overripe plantain. So if you have been throwing away your overripe plantain or you have overripe plantain at home, don't worry, I'm going to be showing you how to put it into a very delicious use. Okay, you're going to love this, your kids will love it. Like, once you make this, you're going to get addicted to it. Okay, so guys, without wasting much time now, let's get started. So here is my overripe plantain. I'm going to be using this, and here is my sugar. You can skip the sugar if you don't want, okay, because overripe plantain is sweet. And here is my nutmeg and my salt, and here is my milk. It's optional too. And then I have my yeast. Guys, I will start now by blending the plantain. So now I'm going to be using my food processor to blend, but you can use your fork to mash it, or if you have a potato masher, it's also good. Okay, and this is what we have after blending. I'm just going to set this aside now, and we'll mix our dried ingredients. I'll be adding in my flour now. I'll go in with my sugar. I'll add in my milk. I'll be adding in the nutmeg and the salt, and then I'm going to give this a good mix. I'll be going in with the blended plantain now. I'm going to mix everything properly now to combine. So now I'll be adding in the yeast. And I'm just going to give this a very good mix. I'll be going in with my warm water. I'll be adding this water bit by bit, okay, because I just want to be in control of the amount of water I add in my batter, okay. So I'm just going to mix this now. I'm going to mix it very well. So guys, when I'm done mixing, I'm going to cover this and then I'll keep it in a one place for about 25 to 30 minutes. I actually kept this for more than 30 minutes because I was doing something else. So before I came back, it was more than 30 minutes. Okay, you're going to leave it to double in size for the yeast to activate. Okay, and then we are going to heat up our oil now for frying. And this after few minutes I've left the dough to double, and I'm just going to, I will go in with my spatula now and then I will mix it just for the last time to deflate the air, okay. If you have watched up to now and you have not subscribed, please subscribe, okay, and leave your comment for me in the comment section. So now our oil is ready. I added in onions to it just to flavor the oil, and I'll be going in with my puff puff batter now. So guys, we are going to fry this until it turns golden brown. Make sure that you are frying on medium heat, okay. So now that our puff puff is ready, I'll just take it out from the oil and then we'll fry the remaining one. I hope you are enjoying the video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Have you liked this video? Have you subscribed to this channel? Please subscribe and like, okay. So guys, I'm going in with my remaining puff puff batter now. And guys, this is what we have. Our puff puff is ready. See here, this came out so yummy. We're going to enjoy it. I hope you will try it out, okay? Just try it out, and anytime you have overripe plantain or banana, instead of you to just dispose it, you can use it to make this delicious plantain or banana puff puff. You are going to love it, okay? And guys, our plantain monster is ready. I hope you'll be trying this out. Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to leave your comment for me in the comment section and share. Okay, subscribe if you have not subscribed. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And until I come your way next time, please stay safe. Bye.